So this is the signature scene from the movie. And before we get into it, just to set some context, we got the messenger coming from King Xerxes of Persia, letting Leonidas, the king of Sparta, know, hey, you need to bow down, you need to kiss the ring, here are the terms and conditions. I don't even need to watch it to know what's going to go down. And the thing I want to underline, the principle we're about to observe here, is because this is where boundaries are set. There are man moments where a man has to really answer the question, who am I? And life, the circumstance, the unknown, the chaos, the feminine of the world are going to give you the challenges, the adversity, the tests of your boundary. And where they say the most powerful thing is no, the most powerful thing is to stand on your square. Who are you? Who are you going to be? So let's just watch and learn.
Is this a simple offering of earth and water, a token of Sparta's submission to the will of Xerxes?
They already know. It's a submission.
Submission. Now that's a bit of a problem. See, rumor has it the Athenians have already turned you down. And if those philosophers and boy lovers on that kind of nerve, then...
We must be diplomatic.
And of course, Spartans have their reputation to consider.
Choose your next words carefully, Leonidas. They may be your last as king.
Fucking ripped the wrong one. It's that man moment. Ooh, live in the moment. Okay, I just got to underline this because this is what I talk about when I say mature masculine. This wasn't just a simple, okay, what are my boundaries? What's Sparta about? And I'm the king, ego driven. No, he's thinking about the people. He's thinking about the culture. He's thinking about the land. He's thinking about the way of life. This is what mature masculine has in play before it takes action. This is, let's go. The future, the legacy.
Madman. You're a madman.
Earth and water. But you'll find plenty of both down there.
No man, Persian or Greek, no man threatens a messenger.
You bring the crowns and heads of conquered kings to my city steps. You insult my queen. You threaten my people with slavery and death. Oh, I've chosen my words carefully, Persian. Perhaps you should have done the same.
This is blasphemy. This is madness.
Even a second thought. Let me check with the muse. Yep. That's important, right? Because that counterpart, the balance, right? Mature masculine, he's thought about everything, and still the appreciation of, let me check in. And I recognize this as a mature masculine man. I appreciate and value my feminine counterpart. When I'm in a relationship, I acknowledge that we get to yoke off of it. I'm that raw masculine force, mature masculine, so I'm not just going to pop off willy-nilly. And at the same time, let me touch base, because a lot's at risk. A lot is at stake. This is brilliant cinema. Go.
Madness. This is Sparta!
So while you got the theatrics and everything going off in the background, that is a man, what do they say? Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Your decision, your action has a ripple that goes down in history. So literally with that moment, we just witness a man's legacy get created. And hundreds, thousands of years later, we're watching it on movie screen. That's the whole context of mature masculinity. A whole world is created inside of our words, our actions, our integrity of who am I? answering that question. Man moments. All right, fam. With that, I'll let you go catch the movie to get the rest of the story. But this has been the Architect's Breakdown. Thank you for tuning in as always. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm dropping new content every week. Blueprint breakdowns, YouTube lives on the way. Be sure before you go to hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. Let the algorithm know that men need messages just like this. And drop a comment down below. Tell me your favorite part of this movie and where any of these distinctions landed and hit you in the chest about what this grown man shit is about. And in the meantime, I'm going to be right here, being the best version of myself. One could say, beyond empowered. The question is, fellas, who are you going to be? Peace.